Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Deepa, and today is day 35 of solving daily problems on LeetCode. Let us see what today's problem is. So the problem says to calculate the subarray product which is less than k. It is a medium level problem and it is based on arrays. So let us try to solve this problem. Here it says given an array of integer nums and integer k, we have to return the number of contiguous subarray where the product of all elements in the subarray is less than or strictly less than k. Okay, now here in the given array 10, 5, 2, 6. So the value of k is 100, means our product should be less than 100. Okay, in my given subarray. And after that you can see that pairs of subarrays are given, which are given here, and they are 10, 5, 2, 6, 8, 10, 5, and all the pairs where the where the product is less than 100, and 10, 5, 2 is not included, as the product of 100 is not strictly less than k, as the product will become 100 in this case. So that's why we have not included this subarray. Okay, as you can see in example 2, 1, 2, 3, and k is 0, which means product should be 0, and here in the given array there is no such element, there is no 0 in the given array, so it is not possible to make the product 0 for these given elements, so the output will be 0. So I have already solved this problem and now I will explain the code to you. Okay, so first we will check if k is which means my product is less than equals to 1. In that case I have to return 0 and I need not to perform anything. Now next case is my that I have initialized few variables here. Okay, first is count product, which will count the number of subarrays. Now left is my pointer, which is starting from first index of my array. Then product will calculate the current product in array. Okay, now you can see that here we have run a for loop from int right equals to 0 and I less than num size and I plus plus. Okay, I have changed the name here to right. Let me just change it here also. Like I was previously I have solved this code with I variable as my variable, but to make it more understandable for you I have used the right variable name here. Okay, so right is at rightmost position right now and left is also present at the same position. I will calculate the product in my nums I array here also, in nums right, which will be 0. So let's say if our array is 1, 2, 3, 4 and our k value is, let's say, 45. Okay, so for first it will calculate the sum and it will calculate the product and it will become 1. After that it will check that is 1 greater than equals to 45. This condition will become false and my count product will become 0 minus 0 plus 1, which means it will store 1 now. Okay, and next this loop will run again for right equals to 1. Now 1 into 2 will become 2. Now this condition will be checked for 2. For 2 also it is false, and now my count product will become 2 minus 0 plus 1. So it will become here, it will say that my right array is at 1, left is at 0 only, and it will be plus 1. So my count will become, previously it was 1 and now again I will plus this, so it will become 3, which means now till now I have 3 subarrays, and like this it will keep on calculating the product. Next will be 2 into 3, which will become 6, and here it will check for 6. It is not true for 6. Now here again it will calculate for our the new count product, so which will become right. Right is at second index. Okay, I'm missing something. Yeah, it is at it was at 0 index, then it was at first index, so where first index, and now the next is at 3, which is at sorry which is at second index. Okay, so here it will check right is at second index minus 0, left is till now 0 only, so it will again become 3, and now my new count product will become 6, and so on. It will keep on calculating for this, and it will return all the subarrays which will result in the sum less than k. And it is clearly mentioned that we have to take it for strictly decreasing, so it should not be equals to the product. Means if this subarray product is greater than or equals to 45, I will not take that pair of subarray. Okay, so at last we are calculating and just returning the count product to our function. From our function we are returning the number of count of subarrays which have given us a sum which is strictly decreasing than our k value. Okay, so now let us try to run this code. And as you can see, it is accepted, and I have already submitted it, and we have completed today's problem of the day. And I hope this video solution is clear to you. If you have any doubt, leave it in the comment section, and please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get daily notification about the videos I'm posting. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.